Hello friends, gather near for a magical Christmas tale. Bluey bounced excitedly around the sparkling tree. Lights twinkled like stars across the branches, ornaments shimmered with colors bright and merry. Tonight feels special, Bingo whispered softly, her eyes glowed with Christmas wonder. Suddenly a jingling sound echoed loudly. Bluey turned, ears perked with delight. From the kitchen came sweet footsteps, a gingerbread man danced into sight. Bluey gasped, "A cookie can dance?" The gingerbread man twirled, smiling wide. "Hello friends, I love Christmas dancing," he said. Bingo giggled, "This is amazing, Bluey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure." The gingerbread man spun around quickly, his candy buttons sparkled under glowing lights. Bluey clapped paws with loud excitement. "Teach me your special Christmas steps." He stomped little cookie feet in rhythm. Bluey followed, bouncing with perfect joy. Twist, hop, spin like candy swirl, the gingerbread man sang merrily. Bingo joined, twirling with golden ribbons, her laughter blended with jingling bells. Snowflakes drifted outside the window softly, frost decorated glass with icy flowers. Bluey shouted, "Let's dance in snow." The gingerbread man nodded with cheer. They raced outside under moonlit sky, snow crunched beneath their playful steps. "Dance in circles, spin with cheer," the cookie called, leaping high. Bluey twirled until dizzy laughter. Bingo tumbled, rolling in snow. Neighbors peeked over fences with smiles. They clapped along to Christmas music. Soon Coco and Snickers arrived happily. They joined the dance without hesitation. The gingerbread man cheered, "More dancers please." Everyone hopped, spun, and stomped together. Snowflakes sparkled like falling diamonds, their breaths puffed clouds of joy. Bluey shouted, "This is the best Christmas." Bingo agreed, "It's perfectly magical." They formed a circle hand in hand. The gingerbread man stood at center. He sang a jingling holiday tune. The friends swayed with matching rhythm. Candy canes fell from the sky, each dancer caught one with delight. Sweet treats for sweet friends, the cookie laughed. Bluey licked his candy with glee. Even the stars twinkled brighter tonight, the world glowed with Christmas wonder. Finally they collapsed onto snowy ground, hearts warm despite the frosty air. Bluey whispered, "Thank you, gingerbread friend." The cookie bowed, "Friendship is sweetest gift." Bingo hugged Bluey with glowing cheer. Christmas is better with magical friends. As the night grew quiet slowly, snow blanketed the yard with peace. The gingerbread man waved farewell kindly, promising more dances every Christmas Eve. Bluey and Bingo watched stars sparkle, smiles shining brighter than holiday lights. The tree inside flickered warmly still, its glow whispered songs of Christmas. Bluey yawned, curling close to Bingo, dreams filled with music and cheer. The gingerbread man vanished into night, but his laughter echoed in hearts. Together they drifted into joyful sleep. Christmas magic tucked them in safely. Return soon for another festive Bluey adventure.